Hello, takok tay bukuk song, norok bahai tong bai. Nong nang kaisa sangnam musungo norok saide man je kono society je kono dofani backrank ya ka backbone nongkha bongni sikla chalai rok hengke abo kubui o sikla chalai rok ni soi fan nongkha bongni education system bongni education ngka nong nang taisa kok sanam musungo je kono imang ni bacheli no sung kai bufang khanya ni hengangke shuru wan sugi tongi simeng lag sung action ma khainai ngka abo ni bagai sung kaham institute ya kaham colleges sung lekha porna nango ke norok saide man. If you are a student, abni logi norok health sector lekha pora poribui samung khanya muchungu hungke nong bayang kaise katal good news tu ifai tongo good news sungkha sini hasteo for the first time Vinayaka Institute of Health Science Agartala nong bagai katal college shape tu ifai kya o college o tam lekha pori man nai tam courses offer khaijak courses rok ungkha B.Sc Nursing, GNM, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Science and Bachelor of Radiology and Imaging Technology. Pula nong nang shaira muchungo Vinayaka Institute of Health Science Agartala is affiliated to Tripura Central University, approved by Government of Tripura, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Tripura Nursing Council, Tripura State Allied and Healthcare Council. Norokhani manu o college ang tai porinai. Ang nong no shaira muchungo this college offer one of the best facilities. State of the art facilities no orom mani mannai fully AC room norok mannai aboni logi all the practical modern equipments tongnai abo at the comfort of your home sini hasteono sini state ono sini aguliwono ok institute tongo aboni logi norok orom mannai scholarship tail education loan ne facilities to courses no the courses ni fee structures were very affordable ka aboni logi norok direct admission nai man nai orok kachar ke broker norok pay khainai ya extra fees rok norok don nangala so why you waiting for norok jodi health sector ro lekha pori ui health sector samung khaina ni wansuk tong hangke norok kindly Vinayaka Institute of Health Science admission nai man nai haibanang share nai norok admission nana sakang norok kindly o institute o college no visit khaimani pore no norok ni decision nadi ang nong ni bagai phone number display khair na screen no norok interested hangke norok okok duk bai kerengdi doroni thinang kahamang thang kuchukung thang kaham ka lekha pori oi norok kaham career sanamdi noni kaham career ang thang aunani best wishes tongnai all the best.
एक बेहतरीन करियर सिर्फ ख्वाब देखने से नहीं, एक सही कॉलेज चुनने से शुरू होता है। वेलकम टू विनायका इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज अगरतला, affiliated to Tripura University, approved by Government of Tripura, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Tripura Nursing Council and Tripura State Allied and Healthcare Council. Choose from B.Sc Nursing, GNM, BMLS and BMRIT. Admissions open for 2026-27. Address Airport Road, Nutan, Nagar, Agartala. Join Vinayaka Institute of Health Sciences, where future healthcare professionals begin their journey.